This is the other side of Nichol Knob, looking down at Richmond, the port of Richmond. Somewhere down there is Rosie the Riveter Museum. We're going to check that out. Let's see if I can zoom in. Lots of boats down there, unloading, loading stuff. The trains come right up to them. And there's the bay, San Francisco Bay. And over here is San Francisco, but you can't see it very good because it's so cloudy over there right now. There's the Treasure Island and the Oakland Bay Bridge and San Francisco. And there's the island of Alcatraz, and there's Angel Island, and you can just see the north side of the Golden Gate Bridge there, but it's in the clouds kind of. So, yep, pretty nice view up here.